Marhaba and welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today is a vegetarian dish, but you can also use it like a pre-dinner palate cleansing soup. It's an easy lentil soup called kubit rohib. Ingredients are 1 cup of lentils blanched in water to clean them, 1.5 cups of fine crushed wheat, burghul, 1 cup unbleached white baker's flour, 1 teaspoon mint powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, a sprinkle of sea salt, about 2 tablespoons of onion powder, half a cup of lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 3 cloves of grated garlic. Step 1. Place the crushed wheat in a deep bowl and pour 1 litre of water onto it. Then massage it with your hands to give it a quick clean. Then grab another clean bowl with a sifter, pour the wet burghul into the sifter to get most of the water out, then squeeze and mash the rest with your hands, then set it aside for 15 minutes. Step 2. Set the strained burghul aside. In the meantime, add a litre of water to a boiling pot, followed by the blanched lentils, and set it on the stove for now. Step 3. After 15 minutes, the burghul will absorb the water and get bigger. Now put it in a clean bowl and add the flour, onion powder, mint powder, sea salt and cayenne pepper. Combine with your hands. If the mixture is too soft, add 1 tablespoon of flour more, and if it is too hard, add a little water. Step 4. Turn the stove on underneath the boiling pot between medium and low heat to slowly boil while we roll the burghul mixture into small balls. Add sea salt to the water if you desire. This is how the mixture should be, not too wet, but it should be squishy enough that you can shape the ball sizes in the palm of your hand and roll them fairly tight so they don't fall apart in the lentil water bath. Step 5. Roll the prepared burghul mixture into small bite-sized balls and place them on a separate plate or bowl. Then when the lentil water starts boiling, add the burghul balls on top, stirring gently with a wooden spoon because the balls may crumble. And you want to evenly spread out the balls and lentils. Also, if you don't want to do this again for a while like me, make a large amount and freeze it until you want to use it again. Step 6. They don't take much time to cook, so after around 5 minutes, scoop the foam off the top or just stir it in, and turn the stove off and add the grated garlic, the lemon juice and the olive oil and stir gently so it gets absorbed by the crushed wheat balls. Note, I think it'd be better to add the lemon, olive oil and garlic after the lentils come to a boil, and we add the burghul balls cause that way they can absorb more flavour while cooking, but the flavour is there nonetheless. Use as a full meal or as a side soup thing to cleanse the palate before a porterhouse steak, and enjoy. Be seeing you.